Ating starting units brought to you by QuickTime, the all-in-one glue. Technology by Loctite. Alaska, starting off with John Ordonio at point guard, Kenneth Remes, Ali Peak, Don Aliado, and Terrence Badgett. Tanduay has Dean Dupumaran, Jeffrey Cariaso, Bonel Balingit, Bong Hawkins, and Kevin Freeman. First quarter ng labarang ito ng dalawang koponan. A toss in the tap, one out by Bonel Balingit for Tanduay. Binigay kay Dean Dupumaran. Pumaran off to Jeffrey Cariaso. Bong Hawkins takes the first shot of the game. That's his shot.
And he came from Alaska.
Oh, just like Jeffrey Cariaso.
Normally, the players who come from other teams play well against their former team.
Ito si Kenneth Duremdes. Duremdes is sporting a bandage all along his right arm, no? Forearm. Na-overstrain daw yata yung muscle dyan. So, but he seems fit enough to play.
Mobility, walang problema yan. No? Shooting touch yan, magiging problema.
Yung control mo dyan, Kevin Freeman displays an outside shot para sa Tanduay Gold, and that spectacular long-distance shot was brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Ali Peak against Bonel Balingit. Dilabas kay Kenneth Duremdes. John Ordonio was open. Hindi pumasok ang tiran si Balingit na nakakuha ng rebound. Binigay kay Jeffrey Cariaso. Narito si Kevin Freeman out of Cariaso. Hindi pumarito to Bong Hawkins. Good fake there by Hawkins. Pero wala. At si Kenneth Duremdes ang tumapik ng bola kay Aliado. Back to Duremdes. Here comes Ali Peak. Nakalangan.
Hindi siya point guard. Ang bola nasa kanya sa gitna. Basically, Ali wants to get the ball in the low block, no? Pagka nasa ibabaw siya, nahihirapan siya with his footwork.
Nagulat siya. Sabi niya, anong gagawin ko rito? Dean Dupumaran to Jeffrey Cariaso. Here's Bong Hawkins. Dupumaran coming out. Here's Hawkins. Hawkins against Terrence Badgett. Pinikutan lang.
Yan ang the brains nung araw, no? Si Bong Hawkins talagang at low post, ang daming moves, no? And he has shown here that he can take the import of Alaska at low post.
At ngayon po mga kaibigan, it's a 7-0 lead by Tanduay. Rob open. Uy! Pinato ni Ali.
Binabanda niya, partner.
Pero masyado malakas yata yung banda na yun. Ang tulis pati. Samantala as Jeffrey Cariaso tried to go baseline. Foul na tatawagin on John Ordonio. First personal on the Alaska point guard. Meron po tayo 9 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Dean Dupumaran to Kevin Freeman. Freeman takes it inside. Ali Peak meeting him up high. Ano mo yun ang sinasabi natin, Coach Tommy, ito si Kevin Freeman should be able to assert himself some more. In his past games, Coach Tommy, napapansin namin na parang ang ginagawa niya pag nakatanggap ng bola, naghahanap ng mapapasahan imbis na siyang titire.
Definitely, partner. Talagang he has the talent, he has the moves, no?
Yes.
It's just a question of giving him really the green light, no? And his teammates should know also what he's going to do. Parang hindi pa sila nagkakaintindihan, no?
Ayan naman si Eric Meg, ang pinag-uusap-usapan ngayon. Gagamitin nga ba siya kung sakasakaling hindi this import doesn't pan out? Baka raw si Eric Meg ang gawin ng import. Pero katawa-tawa sitwasyon because a lot of people, most people know that he is half Filipino.
Talagang 50% tunay.
Kababayan, yung mother ni Eric Meg, kababayan ni Freddy Abuda. Sa same town, sa Lawaan, Eastern Samar. Samantala, John Ordonio hinahabol ni Dean Dupumaran. So, 14 seconds on the shot clock once again as you looked at Coach Tim Thone of the Alaska Aces. Ito si Terrence Badgett, import to import. Badgett goes up and backs it in. At yan pa lang ang unang puntos nitong Alaska Aces. It took them a couple of 3 minutes
Saka hindi nag-double team si Coach Derek to, no? Talagang pinabayaan niya mag-one-on-one yung import.
Cariaso from the outside. Ordonio recovers it to Aliado. Forward to Kenneth Duremdes. Duremdes is met by Pumaran. Ali Pic inside. Yun na naman, ano? Medyo ilang si Ali Pic na makuha ang bola dun eh.
Alanganin siya ron eh.
Yung nakaharap sa goal. Kevin Freeman misses on the jumper. Here's Badgett. Inside to Ordonio. And this time Ordonio knows what to do with it. Right down the middle. At ang kalamangan ng Tanduay ay tinapyas to 5 points at 9-4.
Pang nabalik ang kumpiyansa ni John Ordonio sa conference na ito, no? There was a time here that team was using no point guard, no? Now he seems to have given Don again the confidence, no, to play starting point for Alaska.
That's right. Samantala, a traveling violation call on Kevin Freeman. That's Coach Derek Pumaran of the Tanduay Ram Masters. 8 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Kenneth Duremdes to Terrence Badgett. Badgett against Freeman. Humihingi na pasa si Aliado. Ayun, libre si Aliado. Humabol si Hawkins. Hindi Robert, pero hindi na naman pumasok ang tira ni Aliado. Here comes Cariaso to Bong Hawkins. Hawkins backing up against Don Aliado. Nilabas kay Dean Pumaran. Nice kick out. Pero kumalag na ng bola. Hindi pumasok. And Ali Pic has the rebound para sa Alaska Aces. Ordonio. Nilabas kay Badgett for the three. No. Hawkins para sa rebound. Got it over to Cariaso. Forward to Kevin Freeman. Uy, walang tao sa ilalim. Nako.
Medyo maaga naman yung teammate. He should have waited for his teammate.
Eto si Badgett. Very deceptive looking, no? For a big, bulky guy like Badgett, he can move like a point guard.
Nag-float.
Libre si Hawkins. Wala na naman tao sa ilalim para sa Tanduay.
They're getting the shots, pero a bit hurried ang Tanduay. And kulang sila sa offensive rebound. Yung sinasabi mo walang tao sa ilalim, tumitira ka agad.
Yung mga tirang yun, hero ka pag pumasok. Pero pag hindi pumasok, yari ka sa coach.
Tama yun.
Aliado. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Oy, may foul si Bong Hawkins and he knew that the shot clock was winding down. Kaya medyo frustrated doon si Bong Hawkins.
Ito yung mga new rules natin, partner, na ma-carried away ka, magtulak ka lang ng konti, a little hand check. Ayun, yung mga hand check na gano'n na nakahawak sa likod, itatawag na ng foul.
You saw that spectacular play brought to you by PLDT Text 135. You can't say it, text it for fee activation call 171.
Tsaka yun ang patented Ali Pic jump shot that he has developed through the years, that is serving him well because kung hindi pwede sa low post, pwede rin siya mag-face the basket and jump.
That's right. Yun ang parang bread and butter shot din. Pagka wala siya sa loob. Ito si Bong Hawkins has also developed that through the years. Pero so far, isa pa lang na ipapasok niya out of about 4 or 5 attempts already. Jeffrey Cariaso trying to keep it alive for Tanduay, and he succeeds. It will stay with the Rum Masters with time down to 5 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the first quarter. We have this timeout. Magandang gabi muli sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybay at barkada. Ito yung mga import na nanonood pa rito. At alam natin na alam mo, yung mga import na yan, magkakalaban yan on the hard court. Siyempre, pagdating sa labas, sila rin magkakasama niyan.
Yan ang kagandahan ng PBA. No? They square it off at the hard court, but they're really good friends outside.
Samantala, yung si Antonio lang, kapapanalo ng kupunan niya kanina against Shell, no? Who paraded a new import. Yung kanina, yung isa si Owens, yung sa Santa Lucia. At si Nate Johnson, yung sa San Miguel.
Foul number 10, Dindo Pumaran.
Nakita natin yung debut ng Shell import. Hindi masyadong impressive, partner.
Oo nga
So hopefully he will pick up in the game. No?
Kailangan na Shell. No?
Dahil nasa ilalim na sila ngayon. Nasa 1-4 na sila. No? Saka ang kailangan ng import talaga ang mag-inspire, no, ng local players, no? Kung talagang hindi ka makapag-produce, medyo the locals are nawawala ng konting gana, no?
Yun ang hinihintay ng local, syempre, na pangunahan ka ng import dahil kaya ka nga kinuha as an import dahil dapat mas magaling ka sa amin. Di ba? Mas marami kang gagawin kaysa sa amin. At pag hindi nangyari yan, medyo sasabihin ng mga locals, ito po tayo kumuha ng import. Ganun na pala.
Tayo na lang.
Oo. Samantala ang ating score, 11-7. O, mas maganda pakinggan, 7-11. Ito, Dindo Pumaran for the 3. Yes! Spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD, now as low as 3 pesos per minute, anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Badgett muscling his way inside.
Showing us all the moves, no? Dati tumitira sa labas, ngayon meron sa loob, semi-hook si Badgett.
For his 4th point in the game and keeping Tanduay at a manageable distance. Ito si Kevin Freeman. Let's see, wala siya masyado yung low post move niya, Coach Tommy.
Matagal, partner, matagal.
Oo, tapal ball kasi tuloy, inabot niya. Nice pass break play, pero hindi mas katira ni Ordonio, pero ito naman, si Kenneth Durandez.
Rebound and follow up by Kenneth Durandez. Things that he's not known for, no? He continues to do for this team as he's leading also the assist, as we said, dito sa conference na ito.
Dindo Pumaran can't take a shot there. Gets it over to Kevin Freeman. Tapos ulit kay Dindo. The foul na tatawagin kay Kenneth Durandez. He tried to shadow the diminutive Pumaran. Samantala, papalitan muna si Dindo Pumaran ni Jason Webb sa panig ng Tanduay Rum Masters. .408 to go here in the first quarter. It is a 3-point lead para sa Tanduay Rum. Carriazo on the pick and roll with Bonel Balingit. The ball is picked off. Uy, baba, si Bonel Balingit trying for a steal.
May mobility na si Mobel, sabi niya. Kaya nang mag-steal si Bonel of a point guard, no? Hindi pa naman siguro. He's trying.
Reverse layup by Ordonio. Medyo pilit. Here comes Jason Webb. Ang bilis na bumaba sa depensa itong Alaska Aces. Freeman out to Jason. You know, Jason in the last game showed that he has an outside shot. He has developed an outside shot. I remember his father, of course, he played for Latran and then for Ico, no? Dati talaga puro layup yan, pero towards the end of his career, Freddie Webb also developed an outside shot.
A semi-jumper, semi-set shot, which made him more dangerous, no? Because he was known for his speed tsaka driving in.
That's right.
May similarities, no?
Meron. Kevin Freeman from the outside.
Showing here some spunk, no? Important Tanduay, leading them now to again a 5-point lead here.
Kevin Freeman now with 7 points in the game. Referee's whistle blows.
That's a second foul, 14 foul for the Rum Masters.
Second foul on Bong Hawkins. Meron pa tayong 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in this first period. Kenneth Durandez fields the inbounds by Don Aliado. Aliado gets it back. Binigyan siya ng spasyo ni Bong Hawkins.
Saka may jump shot talaga yung batang yan. One of the players that Team Coney is hoping will deliver, no?
Ayan na naman si Kevin Freeman.
Really showing a different class tonight, Kevin Freeman.
Iba na talaga yung may chismis sa papalitan ka.
When pushed to the brink.
Alam mo naman mga imports, nag-i-enjoy dito. Ito si Ordonio. A nice defense being put up here by Tanduay, but they've got to pick up some rebounds. Maganda nga yung defense mo, pero you give them 3-4 shots, they're bound to make one.
Scrambling by Ordonio here underneath the basket.
Here's Jason Webb. Ilabas kay Jeffrey Carriazo. Carriazo's been taking some outside shots. Has not been successful so far. Jason Webb going up. Pero last touch is called on Terrence Badgett. So it'll stay with Tanduay to the consternation of the Alaska bench. Ang ating score, 18-15, Tanduay by 3. We have another timeout. Lamang pa rin ang Tanduay ng tatlo. Duremdes against Cariaso. Tagal din nagkasama itong mga to. Duremdes goes up. And Noli Locsin is just coming to the ball game. Takes the rebound para sa Tanduay Rum.
Pumasok si Locsin for Hawkins.
Jason Webb, yun yung sinasabi ko. May outside shot na ito si Jason Webb.
He's not yet respected, no? Pero binibigyan siya and he's taking it. And the more he should take it so that he will be more effective later on.
Ano yung mga ganyan, di ba? You build your confidence through taking those shots. Samantala, merong offensive foul called on John Ordonio. That is his second personal in the game.
Illegal screening. The referees have also, parang naging stricto na sila ngayon dito sa mga illegal screen. Using the screen without the ball.
Here's Kevin Freeman. Ito, naging mas agresibo talaga ito si Freeman dito sa larong ito. Halatang halata natin na kakaiba ang kanyang kilos eh.
Saka nakita natin ganun din ang ploy ni Team Cone na hindi sila nagdo-double sa import, no? Hinahayaan nila mag 1-on-1 ng import until he actually drives in. Doon na lang dumating si Duremdes pero late ng konti.
And 2 free throws are awarded Kevin Freeman. Yan ang kanyang mga numbers. Pretty respectable. Although, as we said, he has to be able to lead his team and show the example, lead the way. Para naman ganahan yung kanyang mga kakamping mga lokal.
He has to establish superiority, no? Over his locals in the sense that scores more and he delivers other things, no? That they cannot do.
Samantala si Rodney Santos ay pinasok ni Coach Tim Cone para palitan si John Ordonio on the Alaska side as Kevin Freeman comes up with a split to put Tanduay on top by 6 at 21-15 dito sa ating first quarter. Under a minute to go now.
So, nagpo-point guard dito sa Alaska si Santos. Uy!
Walang kapantay-bantay si Walkwist sa ilalim.
Defensive laps.
Sarap buhay si Walkwist doon. Samantala, ayan, si Noli Locsin atake pero napalakas yung kanyang reverse layup. Ito na naman si Terrence Badgett. Badgett screeching into the front court. Ali Peak misses the jump. Walkwist gets it out to Rodney Santos. Another open shot here for Alaska. Yung sinasabi natin, they get 3-4 attempts. They're bound to make one.
Talaga mukhang ang depensa ng Tanduay mukhang disarray, no? Madaming masyadong open shots ang binibigay sa Alaska.
And Tanduay wants to go for the last shot. There's about a 1 or 2 second differential between game clock and shot clock. Shot clock reached 4. Ayan naman yung elevation nito si Kevin Freeman. Yan ang matutuwa ka.
Talagang magandang move. As we said, he has the moves, no?
Uy!
Muntik na.
Tumama sa ring yung tirang yun ni Duremdes from the backcourt. Pero sa pagtatapos po ng ating first quarter, lamang ang Tanduay Rum Masters ng 4 over the Alaska Aces. That's a score. 23-19. Second quarter po ng lamanang ito ng Alaska Aces at ng Tanduay Rum. Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas. Ang inyong mga lingkod para sa Viva Vintage Panel. Ed Dixon po lamang kasama si Coach Tommy Manotok. At so far, maganda itong pinakikita ng Tanduay. Nakikipagsabayan sa Alaska Aces. As a matter of fact, they held a 9-0 lead at the start of this ball game.
Saka dito, nagpre-press sila sa second quarter dahil walang pure point ang Tanduay, no?
Ito
ang Alaska, in other words.
Kenneth Duran, hirap na, ayun, maganda yung depensa yun ng pinakita ng Tanduay.
Dahil wala ng oras, no? By the time they got the ball to the shooting or passing position.
At maganda rin, kinuha nila yung rebound. Kanina kasi, kahit tumihigpit yung depensa nila, hindi naman nila makuha yung rebound. Wala rin. Narito ngayon si Jason Webb. Don Tiveros, we were just talking about him during the pregame. Biglang tumira si Noli Locsin. Again, nobody there for the rebound para sa Tanduay. Ito na, forward pass to Ali Peak. Pumihit. Natapik ang bola. And last touch on Alaska.
In fairness, yung Balingit was there, no? Si Ali medyo nag-aalangan dahil mas malaki si Balingit, no? Ngayon, he looks a little bit more forceful pero masyado naman, no? Dahil ang tao niya dito is si Noli Locsin.
Doon sa pihit nga lang niya, natapikan siya. Jason Webb.
Bonel did a good job, I feel, no?
Yeah.
Ali, no?
Ginawa niya yung trabaho niya. Coming out is Kevin Freeman. Now going up against Terrence Badgett. Tumira sa labas, masyado malakas. That time, Real Lubit was there but he was unable to control it. Okay na sana no? Merong rebound sa ilalim. Hindi naman na-control.
Which is what Saldi is really known for, no? Picking
yes.
up the garbages and getting the rebounds. No?
23-19, a 4-point lead para sa Tanduay Rum. Here's Kenneth Durendes.
Foul number 1, Jason
Yung
Webb.
pressure na binibigay nila sa kung sino man nagdadala ng bola, no? So, really the best way to defend Alaska is to pressure the ball carrier, no? Dahil doon nag-uumpisa ang passing ng Alaska.
Ali Peak against Zaldi. Wala. Rebound to Jason Webb. Napainan ni Jason Webb si Wok.
Mag-update.
Alam niya, dumarating si Wok sa likod. Sabi niya, hindi makakapreno to. Hindi gumamit ng Preston brake fluid eh. Kaya bumangga siya. Ito, makikita natin the slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Noli Locsin, buo pwesto. There's the pick by Noli. Out to Don Rivera. Sumaksak sa loob. Nabitawan ng bola. Gets it back to Noli Locsin. The fake. Inside. Woo! Top. May foul na nakita. At naglalagot naman si Coach Tim Cone. He felt it was all ball. But referee Franco Ilagan. At ang talagang kinakakuha ni Coach Tim Cone.
Walking daw kanina si Rivera.
At isa pa, ang tinawagan yung import niya. Pangatlong personal foul na yan. As you saw that slow-mo brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. But hindi yun. Third personal foul on Terrence Badgett.
The breaks not going his way.
Oo.
And, Coach Tim is not one of those bad breaks sitting down. No? Talagang very vocal yan.
And very animated.
He will let you know.
Samantala, it is now 24-19, a 5-point lead para sa Tanduay.
Ito yung pressing ng Tanduay that really gives them 8 seconds before they can bring the ball down ng Alaska. No?
And leaves them 10 seconds now. Ito biglang tumira si Rodney Santos. Nobody there for the rebound except Kevin Freeman for Tanduay. Freeman into the front court. Kinakaharap si Badgett. Nilabas kay Jason Webb. Balik ulit kay Freeman for the 3-point shot from top of the key. Yes, spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute. Anytime in the Philippines, call 171 for free NDD activation. 15 puntos na. Ang ginagawa nito si Freeman. Alalahanin po ninyo, ang average ito, mga 22 lamang per game. Kumanti naman si Terrence Badgett for the 6th point. Uy, mataas ang pasa pero nakuha ulit ni Don Rivera. Titira na tres! Another spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation.
Talking of Don, ito na, nasa gitna na si Tim.
Si Tim Cone, pumasok na sa loob ng hardcourt. At si referee Benji Chua, medyo kinakalma lang si Dinededma. Ayun na, tinektikan na.
Hindi
Ano
mapigilan.
nireklamo ni Coach Tim Cone? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Madami siya nireklamo.
Oo.
Yung timeout niya,
Timeout.
yung hindi tinawag ng mga walking, napunta sa third foul ni Badgett. I mean, you know, these are things that happen talaga, no? In the span of 48 minutes, you will have 30 seconds or 1 minute that you will not get the calls that you would want, no? But it is not still a determining factor of the game, no?
Maaga pa naman.
Maaga pa. Meron na siyang isang technical dito. Pagka na pangalawa ito, ma-out siya. Yun ang determining factor of the game pag wala na silang coach, no?
Meanwhile, it's time to grab that ice-cold Sunmig Light. Only 13 pesos at the store near you. Sunmig Light, full beer flavor. Same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Pero kung minsan, meron siyang tinatawag na, ito si Coach Tim Cone, may tinatawag siyang working the referees. You want to let them know that, you know, you're aware of the situation. You'd like to let them know what you want. Nabantayan nila, no?
And early,
importante
no?
rin yan, no? Kung minsan pa nga, sinasadya na isang coach na magpa-technical, eh.
Tama yun.
Di ba?
I think he wants to let them know now that medyo dehado kami rito. Huwag niyo patuloy ito, no? Behind by 9 na kami. Kung ganyan pagtawag ninyo, wala na kami pag-asa nito, no? Masyado kami maiiwanan, no?
That's right. And it is a 9-point lead, 30-21 para sa Tanduay Rum.
But in fairness, Tanduay is playing well, partner.
Yes.
It is not really the referee's calls here, no? That they've done well, and the Freeman is doing very well.
Correct. And here comes Rodney Santos. Yung depensa ng Tanduay, matutuwa ka rin, ano, sapagkat napakahigpit. Although here, Jason Webb gives up the foul against the slashing Rodney Santos. Second personal on Jason Webb. Pero kakaiba pinakikita ng Tanduay rito, Coach Tommy.
More hustle, more everybody's moving their feet, no?
Oh.
And more determination as far as defense is concerned. Nagre-press sila, nagko-cover up sila, and frustrating the Alaska patented offense, no? That has wall movement, no?
Samantala, ito si Rodney Santos coming off the bench para sa Alaska Aces. Has not scored. Oh yes, he has 2 points. Scored in the first quarter.
Medyo inaalat pa ng konti ang Alaska. They've started off a bit cold and the shooting is a bit off.
Siguro parang si Ledwaber rin ito eh. Nagulat. Nagulat nung biglang umatake itong Tanduay. Yung si Ledwaber kanina eh, hindi rin niya akalain na si Manny Pacquiao eh, meron palang ganong klaseng mga suntok.
Ngayon lang niya nakita.
Oo. Jason Webb versus Ali Peak with a pitch. And Freeman takes it away from Badgett, and Badgett will be called for his 4th personal foul. Pang-apat na yan. Ooh. At nakita niyo yung reaction ni Coach Tim Cone. That hurts.
Medyo. Pero talagang foul yun eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Ang pasa napunta sa import ng Tanduay kay Freeman.
Ayun.
Tapos inakap niya.
So that on a slow-mo play brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it for free activation. Call 171. Freeman. Ay, teka muna. Merong loose ball foul.
Loose ball foul.
Loose ball foul, number 35, Zaldi Rayalubit.
Rayalubit is called for that loose ball foul, so no baskets there. John Arrigo will come in for Badgett.
Nagkakaroon ng mismatch ngayon sa import. Alaska will go back to their double teaming. So Tanduay has to be ready now to kick off, no? The Freeman has to ready to kick off to his teammates when he's double teamed.
This is Rodney Santos trying to get past Ontiveros. That's a Tapal Wilcasil by Dondon Ontiveros.
Definitely more movement, partner, from the Tanduay players dito, no? More determination.
Mas inspired sila.
Dahil nakikita na lamang sila dito. Pwedeng manalo. They can beat the top team in this conference, no?
At yung sinabi mo kanina, Coach Tommy, itong si Kevin Freeman, kahit kakaibang kinikilos, nai-inspired naman yung mga Locals. Yun pala eh. Yan pala, magtatrabaho na pa tayo ngayon. Hindi ba? Talagang pugpukan na tayo.
On the ball tayo ngayon sa mga Tanduay players, no? And they have a chance here.
Ali Peak against Zaldi. Ooh, stepping on the baseline.
Alam na the defense of Tanduay was prepared for today's game. No? Coach Derek has done his homework, and you could see they were pressing in the beginning. When Ali gets the ball, he's double teamed right away, no? And they're doing well so far. No?
Yes.
We'll see how Tim Cone adjusts and how the readjustment will be in the latter part of the game.
Samantala, Kevin Freeman trying to break off from Kenneth Duremdes. We'll pick up another foul from Kenneth. That's number 2 on Captain Marbel.
Ito yung ginagawa ni Coach Tim when he got Duremdes. He was not known for his defense, no? But he sometimes puts him on an offensive player known like Freeman. Pero double yan, in other words.
Dapat may tutulong.
May tutulong. Alam nila kung saan ilalagay, no?
Yeah, pagdating kay wala pang tulong. Ayun, pagdating sa Rodney. Ontiveros is open. Wala. Arrigo para sa rebound. May loose ball foul. Could it be on Jason? That will be number 3 on Jason Webb. At napakaaga, Coach Tommy, pareho ng tig-4 na team fouls itong Alaska at Tanduay.
Well, it goes to show you the intensity, partner, of the defense, of the wanting of Tanduay to get the ball and play aggressive basketball tonight. No?
8-point lead para sa Tanduay Rum. At ito si John Arrigo. Kenneth Duremdes, 3-second violation sa Alaska. Talagang inaalat.
They're in the wrong places too long. Talagang, there are games like that, no? You start with, now they have to get over it and allow themselves to pick up the pieces, no?
Yes. At ngayon naman, si Coach Derek Pumaren has brought back Dindo Pumaren to act as point guard para sa Tanduay Ram after Jason Webb picked up his third personal. Narito si Dondon to Freeman. Freeman trying to go baseline. Hey! Masyadong mababa para kay Zaldi Realubit yan.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. He'll be double team now when he drives in. There'll be 3 players. They have to design plays now to be able to find their local players to be able to deliver.
Eh, sigurado may libre dyan eh. Arrigo. Wala. And Noni Locsin has the rebound. Here's Dindo Pumaren. Into the front court. Pumaren naghaharap ng mapapasahan. He's looking at Dondon Ontiveros. Ontiveros out to Freeman. Freeman against Rodney Santos. Freeman looking around. Finds Zaldi Realubit. Short jumper by Zaldi. Yes, he usually is able to make that.
Favorite spot ni Zaldi Realubit sa kanto.
10-point lead now. Biggest lead by Tanduay in the game. We are in the second quarter, halfway through the second period. Ali Peak, Arrigo. Good ball movement here by Tanduay, but tenacious defense being applied by Tanduay against Alaska. Ooh, a 9 defense sinasabi natin. 3-on-2 break here. Kevin Freeman to Dindo Pumaren. Yes. 12 na. Ang abante ng Tanduay over Alaska.
Sinasabi natin, anticipating the offense of Alaska. Talagang alert ang defense ng Tanduay tonight.
Nice cut there by Ali Peak and the no fear slam jam. Face your fears, live your dreams.
Reverse si Ali Peak doon. Ang problema, walang pressure sa bola, no? If there was pressure on the ball, Realubit could have recovered, but there was no pressure on the passer. So he was able to deliver a very nice pass, alley-oop to Ali Peak.
Here's Dondon Ontiveros from top of the key. That's his second PLDT NDD long distance shot.
Looks like he's picking up his game here. And that's what Tanduay needs, no?
Kailangan ng kontribusyon ni Dondon Ontiveros para i-back up yung import as Arrigo finally drills in his own PLDT NDD long distance shot. Parang pinura.
Na-delay ang rotation ng Tanduay ito. Masyadong matagal na pabayaan si Arrigo. Parang free throw yun.
Ayun na naman si Ontiveros! Yes! Still another PLDT NDD long distance shot. Alam niyo naman ito si Dondon pagka nag-umpisa ito. Ayan na naman! At this time, Noli Locsin, offensively na Kevin Freeman gets it para sa Tanduay. No foul there. Pero may kumabayo doon kay Kevin Freeman. Pero offensive rebounding there by Tanduay Ram. And the long distance shooting of Dondon Ontiveros has given them this 15-point spread. Ooh, you look at that, 42-27. We have a timeout by Alaska. We have about 4 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Lamang po ng 15 na ang Tanduay Ram. Ito ngayon, John Ordonio. As you look at the 3-point field goals, 6 out of 11 for Tanduay. Those stats brought to you by QuickType, all-in-one blue technology by Loctite. Dito.
Medyo sa eagerness ni dito, no? Dumayb.
Ito, panahon natin. Oh, yun, we slide.
Nadulas.
Dito, nadulas. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ang layo naman ito. 1 second to go kasi doon sa shot clock. Kaya tinira na ni John Arrigo. Here comes Dindo Pumaren. Ontiveros na naman! Dondon Ontiveros already has 4 of those PLDT NDD long distance shots. 4 na.
Over the average na siya.
Nabati lang natin kanina. Coach Tommy, sabi natin, ano ang nangyayari dito kay Dondon Ontiveros? Sabi naman niya, dito pa ako. Bigyan niyo lang ako ng konti panahon, sabi niya. Samantala, mga bisita natin dito sa Araneta Coliseum, yan si Nicholas at si Clifford Nathaniel. Si Nicholas, apo. Yan sinabi lang sa akin, apo ni Ronnie Nathaniel. Si Clifford naman, anak ni Mr. Ronnie Nathaniel. Bumisita dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
May hawig nga ng konti.
Meron.
But the race is improving.
Ikaw may sabi niya, si Tommy Marotok mo nang sabi. Samantala, another 3-point shot. PLDT NDD long distance shot by John Arrigo, his second. Ito naman ngayon si Kevin Freeman.
Yung sinasabi natin pag-double, no? Dapat makick out yan.
London Ontiveros breaking away. Masyadong matulis yung tira. And Kenneth Durandez gets it over to Arrigo. Back to Durandez. Durandez zigzagging to the front court. Durandez tuloy-tuloy. Binigay kay Ordonio. Open shot for John Ordonio. Wala. Dalawa. Ayun. Nabundol naman ni Kenneth Durandez si London Ontiveros. That'll be a foul. His third. Kenneth Durandez picking up foul number 3. Things not going Alaska's way. 15 puntos ang kalamangan ng Tanduay over Alaska in the second quarter. We have this timeout. Balik po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum and an unusual turn of events here, Coach Tommy. Hindi akalain ito dahil itong Alaska nangunguna po sa liga. Itong Tanduay naman ang isa sa mga nasa ilalim. Pero ang Tanduay po ang namamayani sa kasalukuyan dito sa second quarter. With only 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in this period. Tanduay is up by 15 points.
Partner, this is the PBA, no? And, we all know that the league is balanced, no? Nandito,
That's right.
The firepower of Tanduay is there. It may be a bit dormant for a few games, pero ngayon talagang mukhang led by Freeman, no? They're really picking up, no?
Alam mo, parang prophetic yung nasabi ko kanina sa umpisa. Stranger things have happened here in the PBA. Sapagkat hindi mo talaga masasabi kung kailan puputok ang isang koponan. At kung kailan naman you will catch another team on its downside. No?
Tsaka yung law of averages na sinasabi natin.
Yes,
Alaska has won 4 games in a row. And they're really due for an off game. No?
Yes.
So if they meet an opponent with an on game, with a super on game, no? Talagang anything is possible.
That's right. Ito na naman yung press ng Tanduay. Willie Arboleda is in the game for the first time para sa Tanduay. Remember that the import of Alaska is saddled with 4 personal fouls. Kaya nasa bangko po yun. Si Terrence Badgett picked up foul number 4 earlier in this period. So he has to be sat down. Samantala, nasa penalty na po itong Tanduay. On that foul by Noni Locsin, he sends James Walkbist to the free throw line. Siya nga pala, ika-24 po ng Hunyo ngayon, araw ng San Juan. So, yung mga San Juan dyan na nagpipiesta dito sa Metro Manila, happy fiesta po sa inyo. Doon sa amin sa Leyte, actually sa Southern Leyte, ang kabalian karon San Juan na. Ay pesta diha kaninyo ni Boy Mortera diha sa San Juan, Southern Leyte. Ang dami nagbabasaan ngayon.
Kasi sa Palayan, partner, sa Batangas, sa Kalatagan, hindi ka makakadaan kung hindi ka mabasa ng konti.
Meron din San Juan, Batangas, di ba? Meron yan eh. Uy, Noni Locsin to Winnie Arboleda. Arboleda, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Puts it up. Air ball. And ball goes out of bounds. Sabi ni referee Ilagan in favor of Tanduay, pero inabot na po ng 24-second buzzer. So, pupunta na yan sa Alaska. Inbound to John Arrigo. Arrigo takes it inside. Had to pass it off to John Ordonio with a nice follow through.
Evans, partner.
Magkamukha yan. Kenny Evans, para nandito.
Yan ang mga tweets.
Oo.
Parehong point guard, no?
Nagulat ako. Kanina kasi, puro Ordonio ginagamit. Si Evans pala yun. 20-point lead. Pero tinawagan naman ang foul. Ay, buti naman nabanggit na sa Coliseum PA para malaman na lahat. Ayun si Ordonio.
Ito, dalawa sila to make up for the report. We have 2 small ones, no? And foul trouble yung palaki-import nila.
Magkamukha pa yung pinagsama. Winnie Arboleda at the line. Pareho nga po nasa penalty na itong dalawang kupunang ito. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. 14 puntos sa kalamangan ng Tanduay Ram. One more for Arboleda to bring it up again to a 15-point spread para sa Tanduay. Here's John Ordonio. Evans. Blocking foul on Dondon Ontiveros.
Number 7, Dondon Tiveros, his first foul.
First personal on Dondon. So pareho pong nasa penalty yan. So dito haba na haba ito habang may foul na tinatawag.
So parehong medyas dito. Tsaka si Ordonio, mahabang
Oo nga.
medyas, no?
Medyo bumabalik na rin yung mahabang medyas na yan. Ano?
Oo. And I think this is the first game he's played, no? In this conference, ito si Evans, no?
Pare, dahil medyo nagulat tayo. You look at Mr. Waki Trillo.
And he's a point guard. Normally dito si Tim hindi nagpo-point guard, no? So na-off ngayon, naglalagay siya ng dalawang point guard to really break the press here of Tanduay, no? He wants one guy to bring the ball down and not his passing plays which Tanduay has actually prepared for.
Oo, huling-huli na ng Tanduay yan. At tama ka, Coach Tommy, ha? Unang laro ito ni Kenny Evans dito sa conference na ito. Twisting shot by Kevin Freeman. Aliado takes it. Narito si Evans. Evans against Arboleda. Evans trying to shake off Willie Arboleda. Arrigo. Medyo ginaganahan dito si Evans, ha? Don Aliado.
Bilang siya nakalaro, eh.
Oo.
Pinapakawalan na siya ni Coach Steve Con.
Arrigo, long three-point shot. Nope. A rebound, that one in only locks in. 44 seconds remaining in the second quarter. It is a 13-point lead para sa Tanduay over the Alaska Aces. Kevin Freeman, Willie Arboleda. Donnie Locsin. Post, offensive foul, yes. Hindi na pwede yung gano'n, eh, no? Yung atras ka, tapos sabi ni referee de Dios, may kasama pa Siko. Second personal on Noli Locsin.
And this is the new rules, partner, that will really affect guys like Noli Locsin.
Oo, yan ang...
Before or when they get the ball, even before, pupush na ng konti, no?
Oo, atrasan ka ng atrasan niya.
Atrasan. So, the referees are very strict on that now.
13 pa rin ang abante ng Tanduay over Alaska. Kenny Evans has it. Aliado. Here's Arrigo. Arrigo down the paint. Nice slashing move by John Arrigo. Alam mo, itong lineup ng Alaska, walang import ito, pero puro spoken dollar yan. Kevin Freeman trying to take the last shot. Pero hindi pumasok, and so Tanduay will have to be content with an 11-point lead at the end of 24 minutes of play. Score standing at 48-37 in favor of the Tanduay